thought it was over.
Oh hell nah, it ain't over till the fat bitch sang, my nigga.
We ready to rock and roll, goddammit.
Fuck yeah.
Dirty Jersey, New Jerusalem.
Shaolin.
Naughty by nature, motherfuckers.
Wu-Tang, my niggas.
Grab your hat, bitch.
Come on.
Doom, 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 there they go. Doom, 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 there they go. Doom, 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 there they go. Doom, 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 there they go.
Giving the realism, stating the great wisdom. Journalism, the most is writing graffiti on a state prison. Hard to steal, last year slash I pop. Hate related, he's the closest that I lost since pop. Got the Glock glow ready to rock and roll. Give me a shot to go optimal. Cop the blow knuckles, no. Finger fuck the fair play, stash in the stairway. But a motherfucker gotta die to get airplay. If I dare spray the airwave like a great AK, you'll stay where you lay, babe. Fuck you is what I dare say. Hating niggas cause of they passion for rapping or accents until extortion and jacking start happening. What's after clapping, kidnapping sergeants and captains? I'll be macking and acting like a nigga scratching from sipping passion. Come on. Riding today, cause I might not be here tomorrow. Glory feel the sorrow, click clack, clack like a cloud, yo. Bullets in barrels, all urban apparel, like I told you before. Click clack, clack like a cloud, yo. Ready to rock and roll.
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 MCs has a right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be held against y'all punk motherfuckers. And I can only trust ya as far as I can see ya. Me need ya, that'll be the day ya busters. Son suffer the consequences. For instance, competition getting ass kicking so tremendous. I throw my drawers in it. Who represented for the project tenant since day one? Shit is getting deep out here. Run your garments, son. Like niggas with the police department, yes, y'all, map y'all, stank ass and all. I'm too off the hook, it don't make sense to call. Come on. 1-900, eat shit. I kick like Cobra Kai. My death blow, close your eye.
Riding today, cause I might not be here. Ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll.
When I'm ready to rock and roll, I lock and load. I blow the block some more. Undercover like selling cops some blow. Bring a painkiller, my name ringer. Bell, a ring a tang. I throw it up like gang members. Drunk as fuck, walking in with the pump talk. Punks get it, nigga, we even jump sluts. How about a dump truck selling 2 for $5? I ride with tools I made out of school supplies. I show you it's not serious for y'all. Trouble, I got a phone on my wrist to call. Bubble, you niggas know when you piss them off. I turn gorilla with football equipment on. Clack a cloud, I'm about to tap your foul. Danger, when the last rotten rascal out. Hang up, phone calls ain't gon' happen now. I'm straight face so you niggas can't ask around.
Riding today, cause I might not be here tomorrow. Glory feel the sorrow, click clack, clack like a cloud, yo. Bullets in barrels, all urban apparel, like I told you before. Click clack, clack like a cloud, yo. Ready to rock and roll. 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 Come on. Riding today, cause I might not be here tomorrow. Glory feel the sorrow, click clack, clack like a cloud, yo. Bullets in barrels, all urban apparel, like I told you before. Click clack, clack.